Good evening, everyone. So we are in my messy resale room, and yes, there is like clothes everywhere, and yeah, I'm working on it anyway. I got a box in from Whatnot, so I decided, let's start this up again. I had started my YouTube, I don't know, 3 years ago. Did maybe 4 videos on there, and I don't know, life got in the way. So I am back reselling again, and I thought, you know what? Why not just go for it? Let's do the YouTube, let's do the eBay, let's do Mercari, let's do Poshmark, let's do it all. Can't go wrong there, right? So I got a box in from Whatnot, and everything in it, I paid $2 for each item, and we're gonna resell it on one of those platforms I named, eBay, Mercari, Poshmark. So here we go. So the first item is these cool shoes. They are brand new with tag, and they are really cool. So $2, you guys, $2. If you have not been on Whatnot and you are a reseller, this is a perfect place to source. You don't have to leave your couch. The only thing is you do pay, shipping, but usually you can get it bundled if you're buying from the same person. So it's a win-win. I mean, how much money do you spend on gas, running from thrift store to thrift store? Your time is money. You could be home listing, doing pictures, etc., etc. So, not like I've done that. I mean, you saw my room, but it's okay. But anyway, so these really cool shoes, they are Ultra. They say Ultra on them. Ultra. And they are Scotch Guard, durable protection from oil and water, size 15. Pretty awesome. Okay, $2. Can you get those for $2 at Goodwill? No, absolutely not. Okay, then we have some Revolution. This is, I don't know if it's ST or 5T. Shorts, men's shorts. How cool are those? Look at the, why can't I think? Yeah, this stuff right here. Look at this stuff. And then on the back, camouflage. There we go. Oh my God, just hit me. Camouflage pockets. And they're a longer short, jean short. $2. Yeah, that's what I paid. $2. Let's see. We got some Reclaim Slim Boot Cut 31 by 32 women's jeans, I do believe. Nice. Button and zipper fly. And here are the back pockets. Cute little design going on there. I think I'm a little too close because I can't show you guys everything there. Maybe I'll move back a little bit. This is going to be interesting. I haven't even opened these, but you know how you used to be able to buy pantyhose in the egg? I think they were called legs. Okay, well, this is a bag of pantyhose that you cannot buy anymore. This is like, what do they call it? Old stock? And I cannot open it. Scissors. I see some. I got it. Don't worry, guys. I got it. Okay. So let's see what's in here. Wow, these are really old stock. This was really cool. So, yeah, pantyhose, Lady Lala Super Stretch, one size. I'm kind of excited about these. Here's Gossard queen size. We have regular pantyhose. Wish these had a year on it. That would be even cooler. But they don't. But made in USA. We have Fitting Pretty Control Top Queen Pantyhose by Hanes. Still don't see a year, but those look cool. So I'm gonna look all these up and see what they would sell for, if I can find them. Like this one has Ben Franklin on it. Do you guys remember Ben Franklin stores? Wow, that is pretty cool. Allegon stockings. Sheer stretch guaranteed non-run, looking good. And then we've got a few more in here, and then there's a box, which I don't know what's in the box, but yeah, one size fits all. These are stockings. They don't have any brand on them. Well, it says national, because there's another pair. There's stockings. And then another of the queen size. So that was pretty neat. When I saw those, I was like, oh, I've heard that since it's harder to find this kind of an item. Oh, here's Hanes Capri Shaper. So that's kind of cool. And then we have a couple more things in here. Oh, here's some Warner. They're a little dusty though. Blissful Benefits Smoothing Waistband Seamless Legging in white. There's that. This was $2 for this whole bag. Oh, here's some more of those ones that are, I guess it says 6 pair national off black. Yeah. So, and there's the box. Isn't that neat? These are old. These are old stock. All right, so these are getting too much on top of everything. And then I got some stuffed toys from this same person, and these were $2 for 2. So $1 a piece. Look at how cute. Look at this guy. He's an asparagus, I think. That's adorable. And then this little guy. Oh, this is a My Little Pony. I did not even know that. That's a My Little Pony character. Wow. And then we have 2 more, so $1 a piece on these. There's a Ninja Turtle. I don't know if he's a Squishable because his tag is gone, but he seems like one. Very soft, and he's got a little pizza in his hand. And then this one is, I don't know, is this a Pokemon thing? Manhattan toy. I don't see a, I don't know what it is, but he's pretty cool too. $1 a piece. So that was my whatnot box. Thought it would be cool to share it with you. Maybe by the next video I do, which I really doubt, but maybe I'll have this room a little bit more cleared up. I mean, you should have saw it before this. So like a week ago, it was like you couldn't even walk in. At least now there's a path, and you know, there's an area over here to do photographs, and over here is like a whole shelf with my items that are listed. So what can I say? You can check out my eBay store. It's everything's listed down below, and hopefully I'll get these items that I just showed up and listed within the next week or so. And hope to see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.